Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, April the 25th, 2022. We have two puzzles left. I've already done one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. We have two puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary puzzle. And it's time for the binary puzzle. Yes, binary puzzle number. I believe this will be number. Binary puzzle number 4459. 4459. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Then. Let me see. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If I place number 4 here, the 4th O, then we have 4 1's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be no. This should be a 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. If I place a number 4, the 4th O here, 1, 2, 3, 4, we still have 1, 2, 3, 3 1's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Okay. Then, wow. 1, 2, 3. Interesting. 1, 2, 3. I think we need to compare. Yeah. Do we have 1 or 1 here? No. Well, how about 10? No. 2 1's. 3. Oh, and a 1. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Between 2 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3. No. We have 1 and 1 here. 1. Aha! this column and the last column. 0011 empty box. 00 empty box. 11 0011. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Okay. 101. Do we have a 101 here? Yes. This column and that column. Let me draw this in red. 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 6 minutes exactly. Well, need to compare in this puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.